Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with VAJJA'S. This is Navneeta. Now I want to explain you the topic chemical reactions and equations. First, what is meant by chemical equation? See here, in all the languages, alphabets combine to give words and words combine to give sentences. Similarly, in the language of chemistry, chemical symbols combine to give chemical formulae and chemical formulae combine to give chemical equations. So, the correct definition of chemical equation is the symbolic representation of chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formulae. So, now the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formulae is known as chemical equation. Are you clear with this? Yes. So, chemical reactions are basis of understanding what happens when two elements come together. So, in our day-to-day life, the chemical reactions are surrounds us and affects us. Sometimes we don't even know that the chemical reaction that is happening around us. So, in our lower classes, we studied about temporary changes, permanent changes, natural changes, man-made changes, etc. They may be categorized into two types. Yes, physical changes and chemical changes. In this chapter, we discuss about chemical changes and express them in the form of chemical reactions. So, before going to discuss about chemical reactions, first we have to know the difference between physical changes and chemical changes. Okay? Okay? Physical change. Physical change is a type of change in which the form of matter is altered, but one substance not transformed into another. Here the form of matter is altered is nothing but the matter is changed. We know what is meant by matter. So, matter is nothing but everything in this world, living things as well as non-living things comes under the matter. But the matter which is having some mass, which occupies some space, we are calling that as matter. Here changed, but one substance not transformed into another. It is not transformed into completely another substance. So, that is why these are reversible. But the best example of physical change is water. When we are taken water as a solid, it can change into liquid form. Again from liquid we can get as solid. So, here the one substance is not transformed into another completely. Again it is changes into its original substance. That is why these are reversible here. Now see chemical change. One substance combined with another to form a new substance called chemical synthesis. Generally these are irreversible. Okay, irreversible is nothing but one substance cannot return to its original state. Okay, these are irreversible. When we are taken as one substance, it is combined with another substance. So, it will give one of the new substance called chemical reaction or chemical synthesis. Okay, the best example of these are, so here the best example of chemical change is cooking of food, burning of fuels, rusting of iron, turning of milk into curd. Even respiration and digestion process involves in chemical reaction, and these chemical reactions are affects us in our day-to-day life. So, when we are taken here the best example cooking of food. So, here when we are taken these, the one substance is completely changed into another substance. We are not getting original substance here. Yes. So, that is why these are comes under the chemical changes. Okay. and these chemical changes are irreversible. Okay, are you clear with this? Yes. So these chemical reactions are affects us in our day-to-day life. So we are going to study what are these chemical reactions are. Sometimes these chemical reactions involve some type of changes. So like change in state, change in color, and change in temperature. Sometimes we may also observe evolution of gas. So like this, these type of changes we will see in a chemical reactions. Okay. Now we have to perform some activities based on these chemical changes. Okay.